Hello all, today I will let you know beauty secret all ages. Sunni pindi is a traditional homemade body scrub that is commonly used in South Asian countries. It is made from a combination of natural ingredients, including gram flour, turmeric powder, and sandalwood powder, which help exfoliate and brighten the skin. Here is a simple recipe for preparing sunni pindi. Ingredients: 1 cup gram flour, also known as besan. Half a cup rice flour. Half a cup oatmeal powder. 2 tablespoons turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons sandalwood powder. 1 tablespoon almond oil. Water as needed. Sunni pindi preparation method. In a large mixing bowl, combine the gram flour, rice flour, oatmeal powder, turmeric powder, and sandalwood powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together until they are well combined. Add the almond oil and mix well. Gradually add water to the mixture, mixing it until you achieve a smooth and thick paste. Once the paste is formed, spread it out onto a flat surface and let it dry for several hours. After the paste has dried, break it up into small pieces and store it in an airtight container. To use sunni pindi as a body scrub, simply take a small amount of the mixture and mix it with water to form a paste. Apply the paste to your body and gently scrub your skin with it. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat your skin dry. You can use sunni pindi once or twice a week for best results. When using turmeric powder on your face, it is important to be cautious as it can stain the skin and clothing. It is best to mix the turmeric with other ingredient, such as yogurt, honey, or coconut oil, to create a mask that can be applied to the face. Also, do it to ensure that you are not allergic to turmeric. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe.